was at my dog. I mean, like my dog.
He didn't have one coming in his face. So.
Yeah. But Jason Thompson had just got in his truck, and they were
Can you
all
imagine if that
aiming
coon
right at
fell
his
over?
truck.
You would not have time
He
to
jumped in the
react.
back of his bed like he's going to protect him.
You would just have to
That
sit there and
was
hope to God it
fun.
didn't hit you directly.
Yeah.
And take the
I
third degree
figured it
burn
out
in the
now,
arm.
Ron, why Bo's so wiggy.
On that night, yeah. I know.
That night, and they were all going up on the porch when Bo was up on the porch.
We will never top that night, I don't think.
Oh, that
the
was his
best
power
night.
line.
It fell over too.
Jason's going that way.
Uh-oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a
Turn
minute.
around. Oh, it bounced off.
turning.
It bounced. Oh, it bounced off.
I didn't do that on purpose. It was shooting up to begin with.
It's like every new vehicle has to get christened by the fireworks at least once.
It got him and run up his leg.
Actually, that tube that's laying over, it bounced off of one of those, or that was another one that come over here.
I'm glad you had blue jeans on. That would burn your legs.
That's what Andy forgot.
I can't move that fast.
Oh, I saw that thing turning. I was already on.
I can't. I'm too old to jump that quick.
You're not in a position up there to jump either.
I know.
Vehicle parked in the center of the road at 167 F. Jones Running.
A what?
Cried.
Power!
Oh shit!
My poor child. Still got a cow to live
I'm glad that did come back,
I am too.
back at him, because he
Oh,
wouldn't have known what was going on.
Island number 8 is approximately 1.5 to 2 miles north of you.
Is the kid still? Is the kid alive, or do we know?
Let's keep copy.
Probably.
Live for you, Kojak. Go ahead. I got a patient out there. We do have a strong pulse sinus tag at 128 at the time. FF2 is
Wow.
6%, just waiting for your arrival.
I hope the kid's not brain dead.
Excellent. We're lining up the shot.
Got him back? Got him? Oh, so he got him back?
Yeah, it's a little boy, 8-year-old.
9 times out of 10. Colin, that is exactly why you don't stand there.
He was walking.
Oh, no, I'm saying. That was a bad, it exploded before it took off.
Yeah.
That's why you
Oh, that's why you move
run,
away.
walk
can't,
away.
can't count on the always
Have you
take
not
that
figured it out being around these boys yet? You run.
That'd be a cool night to ride the helicopter.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
I wasn't
You
expecting
would get
that.
to see a lot.